everyone, welcome to Aroma's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the chicken shish kebabs. It's really yummy and it's good for all the seasons, winter, summer, every seasons you can enjoy, and it's a very easy and yummy, delicious recipe, and I'm going to share with you guys. So I got all the spices ready. So spices, we have black pepper, it's like a teaspoon, salt 1.5 teaspoon. This is coriander powder, so it's 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of red chili, and a paste of garlic, only garlic, not the ginger, it's only garlic. And I have a 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 zucchini, like a medium size, 1 onion, 1 lemon, and 1 green chili, and 1 piece of chicken breast. So it's already, I cleaned it, take all the fat, and now it's ready. I'm going to first chop the vegetables. Okay, so I got the whole zucchini and I cut it in small pieces, like not too small, but like in a square, nice, big, this type of pieces. So I'm going to first cut all the vegetables, then the chicken I will show you how big you want it. So the chili is always options, but I like it, chili. So I got 1 chili and onion. So if you have a full big onions, I always do like 3 cuts and then just 1 cut in the middle. So you can see we got the big pieces. So 3 cuts and then 1 cut. So we got this. So I have a whole lemon. I'm going to use half for this one and half for the chicken. Always take the seed off. So it gives you such a fresh vegetables and the chicken to cook together, full of flavor. If you don't want to add anything, I just always add a little bit salt in the vegetables and save half of the salt for the chicken. You can see the vegetable is ready. I'm going to put it on the side, and I'm going to use the half of the lemon for the chicken. Okay, so you can see the chicken and all the spices. I marinate the chicken with yogurt and all the spices. So I'm going to leave it for just like 5 minutes, and then I will show you how I'm going to use these skillers to put on this. So let's wait for 5 minutes. In the meantime, let the vegetables and the chicken get marinated, and then I'll come back to show you. Okay, so now you see I mixed everything, yogurt, garlic paste, and all the spices together, and let it marinate for at least 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. So the more it's good. So you can see it's ready now, everything, and the vegetable is ready too. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to start put all the vegetables and chicken together. So you see that I got the chicken, onions, and how like a nice thick pieces because they're going to get grilled, and I put one chili and everything in there. So this is the way, just keep doing it. And I got this one and I'm going to start another one. So you can add a vegetable first or the way you want it, but anyways it tastes so good. So this is my like a winter time grill inside the home, and it's really good actually. I use a lot. So this one is ready. So I'm going to use this one and put it two pieces like this. You have to warm it a little bit, like you can turn it on. You can see how like those two pieces. I always make like a two at a time, so they will cook really good. But this is amazing. This works really good. Smells so good. So I always check the chicken. It takes like a 10 minutes, but I cook really slow and I need a vegetables to be cooked. So I will always check after like a 5 minutes and turn the sides and cook the other side. And it's amazing, and you can do it inside or outside. So at either ways you can enjoy the barbecue. So it's been 5 minutes. Let's check. Yummy. So the both sides are ready, and that means it's ready so we can cook other ones. So I'm going to try and see how the taste is. Okay, the shish kebab's ready. I'm going to try and see, and you can see the chicken is so well cooked. So super good, especially with the onions. It tastes so good, and you can see how has so juicy, and it's so good and cook all the way. Try this recipe. It's super good and enjoy it. It's very quick and fast, and it's always good with white rice and steamed rice. And try it or without even anything, or just the salad. The Chicken Kebab is really good. Please do subscribe my channel so you get the new videos with the new recipes, easy and quick. It's only 3 steps, ingredients ready and cooked. That's it. I make it very simple Indian food for you guys so you can easily enjoy. Everybody can cook at home and enjoy the food. And if you cannot, please come to Aroma. We are on 715 East, 12300 South, Draper, Utah, and I can cook for you.